Welcome to P NIS Life Hacks. How you guys doing today? There's something about some of these recipes that I want to talk about today, and that's the fact that these recipes are really potent, very, very potent. I've tried so many of them, and currently, I think I have, apparently all of this: garlic, honey, ginger. There are things that I take virtually every day of my life, but I haven't actually tried it out this way. But I do take garlic with my teas in the morning, right? But what exactly I want to bring out here is the fact that these things are not cure. No, they aren't cures actually. They're not cures. They are preventions, and at the same time things that you should do regularly. You cannot have an erectile dysfunction and then think that these recipes would be a solution outlet for you. No, they are not solution outlet. It is something very, very important that you must carry out on a regular basis. It should be a daily routine, more like daily rituals, right? So it's not like for you to have a particular problem. Maybe you start to have ED or start to have quick ejaculations and all that, and you think these recipes are way out for you. It's not. As a matter of fact, a whole lot of people, I'm sure, would say it doesn't work because it failed to help you out. Why? Because of course it definitely will disappoint you because it's not a cure. If you really want these recipes to work for you, you have to make sure that you cultivate the habit of taking them regularly. And not only taking them regularly, you have to cut a whole lot of things down. I have seen so many people trying to work on their weight gains or trying to lose weight and all that, and you find them taking teas, fat burning teas and all that. They are not cure. That's the truth. You cannot be taking fat burning tea, taking herbal teas and all that and expect them to help you lose weight faster. No. The truth is that these things really work, but you have to give them the avenue for them to work. And that is by cutting out junks out of your meal. Cut out junks. That's it. Once you cut out junks out of your meal, you no longer take highly processed food. You no longer take highly processed drinks. Your stress life is reduced. And all these junk things that are highly processed, like your bread, your white bread, your pastas, your wheats and all that, those are highly processed flours or carbohydrates. So you must cut those things down if you really want these things to work, okay? I think basically for me, I would just go ahead to do grinding. I won't sieve it out. I won't sieve it out. For me, I won't do this. For me, usually I don't sieve it out. I better still would get all of them, grinded. I'll get all of them grinded and then take them in bits, more like powdered rather than, doing all this. For me, I wouldn't subscribe to, but of course, if it works for you, that would be better. But for me, basically, it's an opinion, and what I would do is just grind the garlic, grind the ginger, and that's it. And then, more like a powdered form, and add my honey to it, and then take it like tea. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.